guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're going to be installing coilovers. We're also going to be going to a meet, hopefully. It's a prime meet and it'll be the first meet that the car is going to be in. I look forward to that. So right now I'm on my way to my boy Jose's house and we're going to work on the coilovers there. And yeah, hopefully all goes good and we got a good vlog going today. So see you guys there. Fitment goals right there. Yo, Jose, welcome to the vlog.
Yo, what's going on, yo? What's going on?
I'm trying to get this fitment right here.
It's gonna be like early morning protein right now.
Yeah, thanks.
Wait, you want my fitment? My fitment sucked.
Comment what you guys think about the fitment. I think it's on point.
Probably dirty. I had to wash it.
It looks good. It's better than this.
Hey, it could be
Oh, look at the headlights.
Oh, that came out sick. Way better.
That's the only thing right here, look. Because I'll put it in the oven, right? To heat up the glue, and it started doing the wrinkle
On the paint?
I think it came out really good. It's the first time I did it too, like that with clear coat.
Man, that's what's up.
Yep, let's get this shit started. Let's see how it ends up looking.
I think we should get it done. This is like some legit Starbucks stuff here, bro.
Yeah, you
just in the Bronx.
You upgrade. Yeah, let's what? Shift knobs.
like, look, we got some K-Series shift knobs here. If you're trying to make it,
Yo, facts.
your K-Series look cool, but be serious. It's made by K-Tune.
Yo,
K-Tune sponsored this.
Hey.
You can't really see the K, but the K is there.
Alright, bet. Let's get this coffee.
Alright, let's put this in.
Coffee love.
No, you're gonna like it. It's actually really good.
That one's mine?
Yeah, that one's yours.
Alright.
Yeah, you're gonna like it. It's really, really good.
And you got the hoodie too.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yo, that's your cup. That's not my cup.
Nah, chill.
Yeah, relax.
No problem, man. Bro, guess how much I paid for it though? For that whole machine.
$32?
No, Best Buy got it on sale right now for $110.
Damn! I said $32.
Damn. Nah, that's a $300 set.
God damn.
They had it on sale. I'm like, nah. I'm like, yo, is this real? He was like, yeah, they're on sale. I'm like, oh.
With the shift knobs too?
With the shift knobs.
What?
14 shift knobs, bro. I got a lot of shift knobs.
Yeah.
You got B, E, K, H, J, F. Alright, so a little update. To remove suspension, you have to remove the fork by removing 14 mil, 17 millimeter bolt here, and then the one up top on this side. The one's from the top, and then we are good to go on this one. And it's out.
It's out.
It's time to put the coilovers in.
Bad boys.
Oh, we gotta tighten it though.
Yeah. You got your locks?
And we got stuck. We're not too sure where it is to remove the top part, but we will figure it out.
With YouTube. YouTube is always your best friend.
Wait, why is it black?
Man, my service sucks.
Oh, there we go.
Spring, you gotta lower your prices, man.
Yeah, we don't know if we have to take this panel off or is it behind the seats.
I hope we don't have to take the deck off.
Oh, the top part?
Behind this.
You gotta remove that?
Yeah, it's behind that.
How do you remove that?
I don't know, my friend. I'm checking right now.
Alright, so we figured it out. You have to remove a 10mm bolt that's located on the side, and then you pull this up and out, where you need to remove the top bolts. So after, how long was it?
40, 45 minutes.
5 minutes at least.
This was hard.
Finally got it out.
Yep, we definitely did. The bolt was stuck on the sleeve, so.
Yup, we had to heat it up for 30 minutes out of that 45. And then bang it out and then impact it while we were banging it. No homo.
We almost burned the ABS and the brake line.
And the brake line, but we got it out.
So now we're gonna tighten up the spring, adjust it, and then install it. So after hours and hours of battling this freaking suspension, we finally got it done. Thanks to Jose, and this is how it came out. So let me know what you guys think about the new height. I think it looks really good. Show you the other side. So unfortunately, it's getting dark and we didn't get to go to the prime meet. But overall, it was a successful day.
Mission accomplished.
Yep, I think it looks really good. That was really good.
All you need is just a front lid.
Yeah, that's next.
All you need is a front lid. coilover stuff. It's way better.
Guys, I'm gonna end up closing up this video right now. Leave a comment with what you think of the car and the fitment. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Out.